Okay, today we are going to talk about when cutting thick plates, we may encounter a problem of cutting deformation, just like this piece of material. After cutting, we can clearly see that the gap between the sheet extends outward and expanded outward. This is caused by the stress of the sheet metal. After cutting it, it is likely that the inside, its size cannot meet our required requirements, which means there will be errors. So in this state, how can we solve this problem? First, we can flip the figure and let it be cut on the other side to avoid the edge part, because the edge part is the most likely to deform. We can test it first. This is the figure we want to cut, because if we cut it like this now, it will have some deformation, so we can choose to use geometric to flip it over and mirror it horizontally. Then we cut and try. Okay. Here we can clearly see that when cutting like this, its edges will not deform, and the parts can also maintain this accuracy. So if we want to, if we are arranging a large number of parts, we can't avoid this deformation state. We can add some micro connections. On the basis of the original pattern, add some micro connections. Then we simulate the toolpath. You can see, the cutting path starts from here, in this way, because there is less empty space on the edge, although I added micro connections here. But because it has been cut first, after cutting, the sheet will definitely deform towards the edge. At this time, we can add another one. To change the direction of the toolpath, we can choose reverse. Okay, after reversing, we can simulate and test it again. After reversing, it cuts the edge first. After cutting the edge first, cut the inner diameter. In this way, the deformation can be controlled very well. Now let's test it. Okay, here we can see that, compared with this material, the deformation of this material is very small. It only has some cutting marks. This can fully meet the required accuracy of the machine processing. So the most important thing in this video is the first thing is to confirm the toolpath. If the toolpath will affect the deformation. So what we're trying to do is put in the microlinks and using our knife path reverse to avoid this deformation.